Yeah. You know what, sometimes you wonder how silly little fires happen. And then you see silly little things like this. Left this under my chair and the wind must have flipped it over. Fallen over. It'll dry out, I suppose. Whoops-a-daisy. My new yoga mat. That's how silly little fires happen, I suppose. Alright, just when you think the rain is over, I think we got a little bit more. So I've done a little mud over here to stop the rain coming in between the canopy and Chaz over here. I think that's the first time I've called Chaz on camera. So we have Rory, Chaz, and not quite sure what to call you yet. What do you guys think? I mean, you guys. There's my thumbnail. No, there's my thumbnail. Can be just perfectly fine 1 second, and then all of a sudden something occurs to you, and you just kind of just lose your shit a little bit. Just miss my kids, that's all. It's such a horrible feeling. You don't have any control over it. People just think you're bullshitting. Suck it up, get a grip. You feel so pathetic. All right, I'm gonna suck it up. So this is my my first cup of tea I've made using rainwater. Now, according to ChatGPT, this is quite a bad idea. But because when you can see your own eyebrow hair, doesn't taste any different from the tea I normally drink. I guess the next test is to compare its plain white milk. No, just boil it first, obviously. Plenty of times. I boiled it like 5 times just to make sure it boiled. But yeah, here's my little system here. Basically, I had a gap between the van and the canopy, so I just put a trash bag there, and then it kept dripping. So then I fashioned a couple of water bottles to catch the drip. And so far I've filled the kettle 1 time, boiled that 5 times, that same water, and now I'm got half a gallon almost of water. Arthritis is a real like sometimes the pain is almost an itch, and you can't itch it, you can't do anything about it. It's nothing you can do, you just got to suck it up like a lot of things. Anyway, more rain.